how to install Laravel. Before we start building with Laravel, there's one thing you must get right: the setup.
Step 1. Check PHP by running PHP step V. Make sure the PHP version is 8.1 or higher. Step 2. Check Composer by running Composer strip V. If the version appears, Composer is ready. Step 3. Open Laravel and click Start All to run Apache, PHP, and MySQL. Step 4. Open the terminal and run Composer, create project Laravel/Laravel project name. Wait until the installation is finished. After that, go to the project folder by running cd project name. Step 5. Run the Laravel application using PHP Artisan Serve. Step 6. Open your browser and go to the localhost link. And now Laravel is ready to use.